If you're looking for a simple way to market, a way to create a list of buyer leads that's extremely effective and very affordable, stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through the brand new Lead Lightning 2.0, which is a $7 system, complete system that has an autoresponder on capture page, sales page, autoresponder series, so emails going out, but it also has AI hooked up to it. So all your buyers, all your $7 buyers are going to be followed up by AI using text messaging, voicemail drops, and scheduling your members, your $7 buyers, with either the company owner or a coach, a live person who's going to talk to them about the benefits of actually upgrading within the system. So this system actually leads into something where you can go and make up to $1,500 commissions. But this system here can be used for absolutely anything. And if I wanted to run traffic, I don't care what business I'm doing, I'm going to be leading with this system because it creates buyer leads. It does everything for me. All I got to do is add traffic. It can fund my advertising. It could put me in major profit when I upgrade into the other system that this is attached to, Power Lead System. And I have AI following up for me. I have AI closing for me, and I can advertise anything I want to these leads. So this is an amazing solution to major problems out there uh, when it comes to online marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, all of that. And the difference is when you have a paid member, because you may be like, oh, $7 buyer, who cares? Well, you make $6. Again, who cares, right? Well, if you have a $6 buyer, if you have someone that takes the time to put their credit card into a system, they make that decision, more than likely they're going to come back and purchase again. It's called a buyer lead, and that's what you want. Those are like gold. So this is how the system works. You have a capture page already done. You don't have to set this up. This is already set up. Once they enter their email, they're going to come over here to the sales page. Sales page has a video explaining how it works, what it does, how the AI works, uh, how this system works. Now, Lead Lightning, before it was 2.0, just Lead Lightning itself has brought in 60,000 customers. So this is a proven system and it's better than it's ever been. And people are super excited about this because they understand what it means. They understand that this is an offer that the majority of people out there can benefit from because all you have to do is get traffic, and you can get traffic all kinds of different ways. But one of the ways that is being suggested is the traffic sources within the system. They actually tell you what traffic sources to go use. That way you can start getting leads into your system right away and getting eyeballs on your system. Of course, you can do organic marketing. You can share this one-on-one with people. There's all kinds of ways of doing it. But the whole point of this system really is to create buyer leads. So you can market whatever you want. So whether it's power lead system on the back end of this, where you go up to $1,500 sales, or and the great thing about it too is when you market this system, you can market whatever you want to the leads. It actually has a place where you can put your email, your link to your business in there, but also these leads are yours, so you could be following up with these leads yourself with your own offer. So this is something that can help you grow any business, put more money in your pocket, and if you decide to upgrade from the $7, you can earn all the way up to $1,500 commissions. You can earn $20 residual commissions. You can earn $35 residual commissions. You can earn 100, 400, $1,000 one-time commissions, and even $1,500 one-time commissions. How does that happen, you ask? It's very simple. You get traffic, you get people into the system. The leads come into the system. The buyers are followed up by AI. I think it's like 2 weeks it goes out. The AI schedules actual appointments with the buyers, with the owner of the company or one of the coaches, and their job is to take them through and introduce them to the other products, mainly the gold membership, which is 53.97, and then the AI automation product, which is they're $45. Okay. And they have a little bundle that they're selling. And people are making $55 residual commissions by building their list, right? Putting people to this system, getting those $7 buyers, making $6 commissions, and then because they have the other products, because they upgrade it, they're getting $55 residual commissions coming in because of the AI and because the owner or the coaches are calling those leads and showing them the power of upgrading. So this is completely hands-free if you want it to be. Just run traffic. You could do it organically. You could do what I do, which is both. So I make videos, I reach out to people, and I run paid traffic because this is a system that creates buyer leads. When you have buyer leads, more than likely they're going to buy. So it's really powerful, hands off. Follow up is done for you, closing is done for you. It's all done for you. So this is really an amazing offer. So let's go ahead and look at what you're getting for $7. Okay, so I logged into my wife's account because I have all the different products all the way up to the $1,500 commission product. So I'm all in Power Lead System. I have been for over 10 years. It's a very powerful company, a very powerful program. It's paid me over $175,000 in commissions. And, that was me working it for a couple years. We did not have AI. We did not have closers. Like, we did not have any of this stuff. It was never this simple. It was never this streamlined. Now it's extremely simple and set up so you can succeed without the overwhelm, without the confusion uh, that was before. So if I could do that before, when it was an absolute craziness. Like I was setting funnels up for people. I was doing all that for people because it was kind of complicated. It's not like that anymore. Anyway, this program, this is what you get. Okay, $7. Here's your back office. You're going to get a video here that you're going to go ahead and walk. It's going to walk you through how to get started. You can schedule a call with the owner or one of the coaches so you can get set up for success right from the beginning, which I highly recommend doing. It says join your Facebook group, get your coaching call. Step three is advertise your links. That's it. You're done. Okay. Everything else is done. If you want to add your referral link, you could add your referral link. So if I come up here, we got training. So we got the quick start. We got training, traffic generation, training, leads. You get a contact manager, uh, your money. They pay on time every time. So this is really a very powerful system, a system that I highly recommend using if you using it. Again, $7 one time pays you $6 commissions. $6 commissions not that exciting, but when you start understanding what's going on here, when you understand buyer psychology, then you'll get excited about this system. Now, if you're going to go out and you're going to do the hard work of sharing this with people and you're going to make $6. I mean, it's not going to be long before you're going to want to come down here, click on this button, right? And you're going to want to upgrade. Now, the upgrade they have going here is for the gold membership and for this AI Automation Academy. Now, this AI Automation Academy, people are absolutely raving about this academy because it's live. It's like a workshop. You come in, you learn something, and then you're put into groups and you work on that thing and share it with the other groups. I mean, this is legit right here. If you want to learn how to do AI for real, not just, go to ChatGPT and throw up some some posts that really don't stand out, that people really don't pay any attention to, that people know right away that are AI. This is going to take you to a whole another level. Plus, it pays you $35 residual income, unlimited levels deep. So I'm just going to come down here and kind of just show you. This is actually what your leads are going to be introduced to that come into Lead Lightning. When they do their call, they're going to be introduced to this. So right now we just had class number 2, had you in a box. So this was teaching how you can put yourself in like a little action figure box and walk out of that box, making music using AI and monetizing that music. You can see AI podcast, inbound AI assistant, copy paste conversion for GPT swipe, customize, deploy high converting AI scripts, auto launch agents, let AI launch your products while you sleep, one prop, one product session, AI sales strategy, offer mapping, faceless videos, voice AI, create and sell your own GPTs, cold outreach activation, print on demand, AI merch. And I mean, this is, people are raving about this program. It's done by Jeff Mills, and he has his own AI company where he actually has businesses come and pay him to set up all kinds of different AI to help them with their business, help them grow their business. So this is the real deal. Uh, this is stuff that majority of people out there do not know. So it's very powerful. It's a high seller, and that's what comes with you go here. Okay. Now understand Power Lead system goes all the way up to $1,500 commission. So there are other ways to upgrade as well. There's other ways to earn. And again, you can use this system to market anything you want. It's also the option right here of contacting Neil for a one-on-one coaching session. So that's available to you there. As you can see right here, step 2 is the same thing. It's just repeat it right here. So that's it. That's what Lead Lightning 2.0 is. It's a hands-free system. Get traffic to the system, get buyer leads. The buyer leads are followed up with AI and closed and closed by the owner, Neil, or his coaching team. And it has all kinds of options where you can go and earn residual income and high ticket income all from the same funnel. It just depends what you want to do. Okay. If you want to get Lead Lightning 2.0 for only $7, go to the link in my description and go ahead and get started. With that, make it a great day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.